Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video we have a quick, one of my favorite videos. These are some of the items that some items from the fall haul sale. Let's jump right into it. It's not a lot, but you know I like to share what I got. So the first thing, what we have been talking about for the last week, if not 2 weeks, is I knew I was going to need some more of my Bear With Me spray. So the NYX products were buy 2 get 1 free. So I just went ahead and purchased 2. And as you can see, I probably got like 3 more sprays in this one. The makeup look will be up before this one. But yeah, so I got 2 of these. And I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers here on YouTube. Her name is Brie Marie. And she did an Ulta haul. And what did she have? Brushes. She had I think they were like 30% or 40% off Ulta collection. The brushes. So I had to go and pick up some of the brushes. Even though I don't need any brushes, I had to pick them up. So the first one I got is number 40. If I could tell y'all what it is. I have no clue. It's an eyeshadow brush, I know. But anyway. So the packaging looks like this. I can't really say. I probably say I got like an Ulta brush when probably like in a gift set or something like that. But I've never purchased an Ulta brush. It just says 3-in-1 shadow brush number 40. And this is how the wand looks. So really fluffy. Oh, it feels really good. And the handle. I like when brushes have skinny handles. It doesn't make me work any harder. I want to focus. Okay. Oh, it wants to focus. Okay, you're on there. Okay. So this is the brush. 3-in-1. And number 40. That's all I can tell y'all. The next one is a number 43. And this one is my type of brush. I'll say when I tell y'all I like an angled oval type brush to get in my crease, this is the type of brush I'm talking about. And I think these were $6, so these brushes were $6. It feels really good, but these are the type of brushes that I love. Next up, I got a whole set for $12, and it's a Flawless Face and Eye 4-piece makeup brush kit with a travel case. So it looks like this. Need some scissors. Okay. It came with a little pouch, which is cute. It's a cute little pouch. And you got 4 brushes. Gosh, they made sure those things was in there. So the first 2 are eyeshadow brush. I guess one is a packing and one is a blender brush. And then you got the very fluffy powder brush along with a very dense make. I like this. I don't know. Let me show y'all the handle. Y'all see the handles? Like you can probably put your finger right here. It gives you a groove to apply, you know, a groove. But yeah, this is the foundation brush. And the powder brush one more time. Next up is some lip products. So the first thing, well, that's what I got, the 2 sprays. So this was the free one, the Powder Puff NYX Lippy in Teacher's Pet. And it was an orange shade. Yeah, I know I've been into orange lately. I have it in Pop Quiz. I have 2 of those. So I wanted another color only because I really enjoy these. It's like what it says, like a powder. It comes with a little puff on it. But this is the shade. Very nice and soft orange shade for my complexion. I try to find shades that, you know, I'm comfortable with wearing, not just to put on a shade and I don't really like it. But yeah, that's nice and soft. That's soft enough for me. Next up, the Ulta brand well, it was on sale, but the lip liners had to be on sale. The eyeliners had to be on sale. So, I don't know. We're about to see. Okay, guys, I finally got all of these open. The first, bless me, Lord. The first one is a lip liner, and it's Chocolate by the Ulta brand. Nice mid-tone brown. Not deep like I normally would, but I need to try something new. So nice mid-tone brown. Next up are all eyeliners from Ulta. I'll show you one and how it looks. So this is in Eggplant. I can't. Oh gosh, and it's a purple, a very deep purple. Eggplant, a very deep purple. And y'all know the rest of them are probably browns. This is in Mink. I'll use this as eyeliner. I'll use it as a lip liner. I'll use it to fill in my brows. I'll use it for multiple things. Wind down. They're really creamy. And last but not least, we have the deepest, which is black brown. So yeah, I picked this up because I figured like maybe I could do my brows with it if I can open it. It's really creamy. So these are the Ulta gel eyeliners. Okay. And lip liner. So the very first one by the orange shade is a lip liner, and the rest are gel eyeliners. Next up, I picked up a ColourPop gel cream eyeliner in Sunnyvale. And it looks like it's a brown shade. I don't need no more lip liners. I don't need no more eyeliners. I don't need no more nothing. Ulta gets me every time. I'm going to do it across the top. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I would use that as a lip liner. Is this an eyeliner? It doesn't say. Is this an eyeliner? It just says gel liner. But it's going across the top. And as you can see, very pretty brown. Very pretty. I'm using that as a lip liner. Next up, not from Ulta, but the last is some lip liners that I picked up from Sam's Beauty. I placed an order and I picked up 4 Absolute Gel Lip Liners. Let's go ahead and swatch those just in case y'all need some lip liners. You never know. The first one is in Berry. Next one we have Chocolate, which is not really chocolate. It's kind of like a red brown. Next we have a pink shade in Cherry. So I'm using my other hand. That's pretty. That's going to be real different for me. And the last shade is Coffee Bean. I got so many brown liners. I must have was on a brown liner kick that morning. So these are the Absolute New York gel liners from Sam's Beauty. And they were on sale for 99 cents. So chocolate right here doesn't really look much chocolate. It's still a pretty color, but I don't see chocolate when I'm looking at that. And the pink shade is absolutely beautiful. Cherry, which is cherry. Then you got berry, which we knew, you know, what berry was. That looks like berry. And then the last shade of cocoa bean, which is the brown, is a very beautiful brown. So for 99 cents, that's not bad at all. So compare the two if you like to. Yeah, so Ulta side, beauty supply store side, they looking the same to me. What y'all think? Yeah. Okay, so that's everything, guys. Just a quick haul. I think I have one more Ulta haul on the way. Don't even worry. Don't even, like, just don't even ask. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.